I'm here at Ives Park in the city of Tonawanda and the storm has arrived. I'm currently under the concession stand gazebo overhang thing, and it is absolutely downpouring. Oh my god. Oops, sorry about that. Oh, hello, thunder. It is absolutely pouring out right now. Holy Jesus. Whoa! Oh my god! Torrential downpours now. Torrential downpours now. I feel, I don't know if anyone can, you guys can see this, but out in the field, right about just under where my finger is, there is a goose sitting there embracing the storm right now. Good Lord, dude. Stopping the video real quick, taking a gander at radar.